Hello students, this is Dr. Sourav's class. We are now solving our UPSC Mathematics Optional Paper, Paper 2 from 2024. So this question arrived in our paper and it's a question of complex analysis. Now what the question says, the question asks us to solve that if our W is equals to fz be an analytic function of z, then show that del square by del x square plus del square by del y square of log of mod f dash z is equals to 0. So that means our log of this thing has to be our satisfied Laplacian equation. Okay, we can done it. We can do the problem by two ways. Firstly, if our fz is an analytic function of z, then we have to prove our log of this thing is also analytic. This is the root for this, and the another root can be, firstly we have to know that our, yeah, okay, del square, yeah, then it will be, we all know, it's a very known fact. It is our 4 del square by del z bar of our log mod fz. Yeah, okay. So now how we can do this? We can do this in that manner. Yeah, our, there is 2, so the 2 came here, and the power and the power, if we get 2 log, sorry, I'm gonna change my color. We are using the fact that, as we know, our 2 log a is equal to log a square. Then our this 2, these 2 comes here, and it's log of mod f dash z whole square. Okay, now we can rewrite it as this. We also know that our mod of, sorry, our, this thing is equals to this. We are using the fact here. So what we will get now, let me again change my color. That's the explanation, so I am writing it with another color. So now the partial derivative will come inside in our in a thing, in our expression. So what will happen now? Yeah. Okay. Hope you understand the steps. So then what will happen? Then some magic will happen in here. Can you feel it? Okay, so it, yeah. So now our 2 here and 2 del z bar here, and it will be del z of, yeah, because this thing happen in here because we know that this thing happens here because we know this thing, that our del square f by del z del bar is equals to our del square f by del z bar del z. We are using this, so we get this, and now we can easily see that our this thing is 0 and our this thing is also 0, because the log of mod fz and our log of, sorry, this is our f dash. Okay, let me check if I have done any another mistake. So it is, yeah. Okay, so our thing is, so the log of this thing is constant over here, and also the log of this thing is constant over here. So our partial derivative with respect to z and z bar will be 0. So our this thing will also be 0, and our 2 del z of 0, and the derivative partial derivative of 0 is also 0. So we have 0 plus 0 here, and which will be 0. Okay, as the thing, yeah. So our del square by del x square plus del square by del y square of log of mod of f dash z is now 0. So our question is proved. So hence the log of mod, I'm gonna write it another way, that our log of mod z is now an analytic function as it satisfies the Laplacian equation. Hope you understood. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay. Hope you understood. Thank you, guys.